Good morning, everybody. Hope you're all doing well. Found an absolute gem out here just north of Barstow, California. This is, it's a paid BLM campground. It doesn't cost very much. It's called Owl Canyon Campground. I'll show you around a little bit. We got barbecue, outdoor grill pits, a picnic table that's covered for the sun and the rain, and a campfire ring there. And every site has a neat view of the Owl Canyon down here. So this down here is, well, I mean, it's basically a wash at the very bottom there. It's really sandy, and when it rains, I bet there's a lot of water running through there. The most interesting part of this place was the wind. So just so you know, this is actually day 3 here for Angela and I here at this campground, and we had wind gusts of 50 miles an hour the first 2 days and 2 nights. I know that probably doesn't sound like much, but that's darn near hurricane force category winds. But it's gusting, so it's weird. Like, it'll go from you feel nothing to all of a sudden just getting slammed at 50 miles an hour, shaking the RV. It was setting off my alarm. It was intense, and I couldn't film for 2 days out here anyway. So stuck to indoor activities, get some TV stations, play some video games. Angela and I hung out and relaxed out here. That was the whole point, was just to kind of mellow out, and this was a really perfect spot to just mellow out. I doubt it's going to be as vibrant as it is to the naked eye, but the mountains over on this side, they literally look green to my eye. To you, they probably just look gray. But here in person, that's probably the most unique part about Owl Canyon here, is the green mountains in the background. So it's a 14-day limit here on a BLM campground at Owl Canyon, and it is only $6 a night. That's not bad. That's basically free, right? They are looking for some camp hosts at this one and a couple other ones. I wouldn't want to be here in the summer, though. And they got a little list here talking about the Chronicles of Chaos. And up here it says, what we can see is colored sediments, green, brown, white, are Miocene Barstow Formation that include lake and playa beds, conglomerate, white volcanic ash, and white limestone. I'd like to address with everybody a couple things. Some of you have mentioned that the frequency of my videos, finally, first time in over a year, has not been every other day. You are correct. And the reason for that is a combination of it's tough to find approved places to camp. So I'm going to be making the most of places like this where it is an approved campground, because so many places here, whether you're on private property or public property in California, it can be literally illegal to sleep in your RV or vehicle. And I know lots of people out there can get away with it. I know lots of people ignore the Walmart signs too. You know, absolutely no RV parking. I'll just do it anyway. There's other people here. I'm going to be making the most of this, and most likely once I get parked, you know, I'm not going to move for a couple days. Maybe take the bike out and explore a little bit. But I have mentioned to you all that there is an actual plan, as scary as that is. There was a trip planned here, and I have been delayed due to mountain passes in the Sierra Nevadas that have been absolutely shut down. Not chains required on every single piece of rubber, but literally shut down. Go around it. You cannot cross. So believe me, every single day when we wake up here, I have been looking at the Sierra Nevada pass here in California near I-80 to see when it is going to be passable. Angela doesn't have chains. We can get her some chains, but ultimately, every once in a while, it's just bare and wet, and there's completely no restrictions. So we will be keeping a very close eye on that, and hopefully, before the end of March, I will be announcing this fun trip to come. And what I'll say about that is, if you liked Route 66, you're definitely gonna get a kick out of the next 3 to 4 months on the road. But I gotta play it right. Gotta play it smart. They usually have water here, but it's shut down until the summer. They're replacing the water tank here at Owl Canyon, so no drinking water available. You probably want to be in an RV or bring your own water in, but they do have some trash cans available here and a little playground over there. It's okay. Okay, I decided to come down here to the bottom of the canyon, you know, actually in the wash here. It's neat down here. These this is just dirt, right? Yeah, it's like a combination of dirt and rock. Pull one rock and the whole thing falls. Hopefully not. Different though. In the ground, it's just a sandy material, you know. Gets a lot of water down here though. It's warming up, so I would almost think it's got to be time to start seeing some desert wildlife. You know? Man, never actually seen a scorpion or a rattlesnake in the wild, ever. And I know one day it's going to happen. I just don't know when. Check out these canyon walls. They're about 30, 40 feet high down here. You see all the Joshua trees up there? Yeah. You think you got culverts back home? No. Out in the desert, they got culverts. Get a load of this thing. These things, there's two of them. They're massive. And I can almost guarantee you we are going to find a snake if we go in here. Should we go? Let's go. Oh. Snakes or scorpions? No, I lost my courage. Lost it. Had it and lost it. From over here, it looks like our two RVs are kissing front noses. So, we're all clear. March is just going to be a different type of feel here on the Nomadic Fanatic channel. And then everything will be back to normal. So, just ask that you guys be patient. I'm going to keep you guys interested and entertained as much as possible throughout the month until we get back on the road, officially. And it could happen at any time. So, don't go anywhere, guys. Stay subscribed, keep checking in. I will give you as many important updates as possible. Check out these canyon walls. About 30, 40 feet. I'm gonna try that one again. Try that one again.